Do you like to drink juice with a straw? We'll show you how to use drinking straws for crafting. Do you want a new phone case? Don't rush to a store, give a new life to your old case. We'll need a monochromatic phone case and multicolored straws. Take fine salt. Mix the acrylic paint with some water. Color the salt. Transfer it to the baking paper to dry. You can put it in the oven to make it faster. When dry, sift the salt. We've made a few vivid colors. Prepare the straws. Seal the end. Hold it with the pliers and melt. Or you can sandwich it between the baking paper and iron. Measure the straw to fit the case. Cut off the excess. Fill the straw with the salt of the same color. Leave some empty space to see the salt moving inside. You can seal the other end. We've prepared enough details. Keep in mind the camera. Attach the straws to the case. Wow! It's awesome! The colored salt shifts up and down inside the straws, creating the effect of movement. You'll enjoy holding this wonderful phone case in your hands. Do you lose pencil caps all the time? This life hack will help keep your brushes and eyeliner safe. Cut out a small piece of the straw. Melt it at the end. We've got a perfect cap for a delicate makeup brush. Take the bigger straw to make a cap for your eyeliner or contour pencil. You can keep your art brushes in the same way. Let's use the drinking straws to decorate a glass jar. Turn it into a lovely makeup holder. Take the straws with the long, flexible section. We'll need this very part. Cut off the excess. Prepare a few joints of different colors. Take a little glass jar. Hot glue the straws one by one. Snip off the excess if needed. Attach the joints without gaps. Alternate the colors. Put Q-tips in the straws. You can hold all you need for your makeup in this cute little organizer: contouring pencils, eyeliners, mascara, and Q-tips. Find another variation of phone case decorating with the straws. You'll need bendy straws of the big width. We'll attach them in this way. Hot glue. Seal the end. Use a flat iron. You can also use an ordinary iron or lighter. Melt the end. We've got a neat seam. Pour in seed beads. If you leave some free space, the beads will move up and down inside the straw. You can seal the other end. See how it fits the case? Perfect! Pour some glitter in another straw. We've prepared a few details of different colors with various fillings. Attach them to the phone case. Be careful to make smaller elements to stick around the camera. This eye-catching phone case could be a cool stress reliever. You can fill the straws with colored salt, seed beads, or glitter. Watch the movement of the bright particles and feel your stress fade away.